Moving on to the New York strip steak right here. And we are going to start by seasoning it with just a little bit of salt and pepper. So I can just sprinkle that on. Just rub that salt and pepper all over the steak. I'm going to take it right over to our pan. This is a grill pan. It's been heating up for a little bit. And we're going to start by browning this fatty part right here. So you'll really get a sense for whether the pan is hot or not by whether or not you get a sizzle. So let's see. That's a good sign. So go ahead and just let that sit there for a while. Let that fat get nice and brown. So it has fallen over. So look at that. That is a nice color. That fat is rendered. It has given out its fat. So now we're going to go ahead and brown the other side. Alright, go and take a look. See, that's nice. This is how we're going to get some hash marks. So we're just going to do it really easy, just from changing it from this way to this way. Okay, so go ahead and let it sit there for a good couple minutes. Now we're going to go take a little peek. See, look, that's nice. And just change it from this direction to that direction. We're really going to let it sit for about 3 minutes here. Let's take a little look, flip it over. Look at those marks. Really nice. So, same process on the other side. We're going to go ahead and take a look. Rotate it. And now's a good time to start looking at the temperature. What is going on in there? Let's just take it really quickly. 96. That's good. So we'll leave this on for another 4 minutes and we'll take its temperature. So let's go ahead and see where we're at. As it's getting to about 130 degrees, because it's going to continue to cook a little bit. One thing though, just brown the ends. Just a little bit, it won't take long. Just a little bit of color. Doesn't take long at all. So go ahead and set this aside until you're ready to plate. All of your components, buttered squash. Put a nice little bit right over here. Place your steak, just so. And then gently drape a couple of these broccolinis cascading down. That is it. And then finish with a little sprinkling of salt. This Malden sea salt really looks beautiful, but that's a really nice dinner. Looks really pretty too, and it's easy to make at home. So happy Valentine's Day, and I hope this makes it a little bit easier for you.